Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be doing a eye look. It's a smoky eye, of course. Well, it's what we always do, a smoky eye. Anyways, this one's gonna match this shirt. Thought we'd throw a little color in there. Okay, so we are going to do a smoky eye with some blue and some, it's just gonna be beautiful. We're just gonna do a beautiful smoky eye. We're going to start off with, I already have my eyes primed, and I'm going to use this Stila palette. It's really old, so I don't know if it's still available. Hopefully it is, but it is the Stila In the Know eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to use it for this light color here to set that primer that I put on my eyes, and then I am also going to use the gray in here for my transition. And we're going to start with this color that I just showed you, the white. And I'm just going to rub that all over that concealer just to set that in there in place. Okay, that's all we need to do with that. And then we're going to go straight into the, I think I'm going to use the same brush. We're going to go in with our transition color, and the transition color I'm going to use is out of the Stila palette, and it's this gray one, and I'm going to just do it really lightly because I just don't know what other color to use for transition with this black and blue that we're going to be using. So I'm just going to go in really lightly with this gray, and hopefully it's not too dark. Looks pretty good. Now we're going to go in with our blue, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Expert Wear, and this is in Acid Rain. And it is not super, it looks really super pigmented, but when I swatched it on my hand, it wasn't that pigmented. So I am going to try it with just what I can pick up on this little flat brush and see, but I think I'm going to have to go in with some spray on my brush. Well, it's kind of working. I always start on that eye because I'm left-handed. And I forget that you guys can't see that eye very good. I'm trying to look kind of at the camera. But I have to look in the mirror. No telling where I'd put it if I didn't look in the mirror. I guess I don't need spray. This works a lot better on your eye than it does on your arm. Who'd have thunk, huh? Sorry. Then I'm just going to blend that in a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with this black, the Maybelline Night Sky in the same Expert Wear. And I'm just going to put this in my outer corner. I know you guys tell me, don't do that, you're too old. But I like it, okay? My eyes are very deep set. I need these shadows. Granted, they don't show up very well. But I could keep trying. And I'm going to take this same brush and just blend it around, pull it up into the crease a little bit. Then we're going to go in with Urban Decay Verve. I'll show you what color it is. It's gorgeous. You can't really tell the color on this. It's kind of a shimmery, pearly pink, I think. It's mostly not pink, but it's got a pink tinge to it. We're going to put that on the inner corner. Actually, on the inner third. I just really want to lighten up that inner part. Okay. Now I'm just going to go back in with a clean, fluffy brush. Hope it's clean. And just kind of blend everything together. And then I'm going to go in with just a little bit of this Maybelline Expert Wear Soft Pearl. And I'm just going to use a really small brush and put some under my brow bone. On my brow bone. Under my brow, which I haven't done yet. And then I'm going to do my push line with my L'Oreal Lacquer Gel Liner. Hope you guys can still see me. I'm trying to get this so you can. Now we're going to use the same Maybelline Night Sky to push this in, and then I'm actually going to make a line, a liner line with it also. Oh, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see, but I got to get close. But you guys have seen me do this 1,000 times, so I'm just using this flat brush to push from the top in this Maybelline liner, shadow, into that gel liner to set it. And it also fills in any parts that I didn't, because I don't really take a lot of time to spread that out. I just want it between the lashes. I'm going to use my brush that I bought at the hobby store, a paintbrush, and it was flat at the top, and I cut it, and it is the perfect brush to use for if you're going to use shadow for an eyeliner. It is just the bomb. And I am going to do this outside corner first so that I can take off the tape. Oops, I got my hair stuck in the brush. And then the thing is, you can also go back in and after you take the tape off, tone it down. But it helps me to get them even. Now I'm going to put some mascara and some lashes on, and I will go off camera to do that. And then I'm going to make another video of the rest of my face, and I'll be back. Okay, everybody, I'm back. I have all the rest of my makeup on. I love the eyes, the super smoky blue eye. I hope you guys like it. This is what it looks like with the lashes and the brows and all the rest of my makeup done. So I think it turned out really well. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.